Alaikum. Myself Maharun, I am your R programming instructor. As we all know that we have recently completed our C programming course. Now moving forward towards data science, because we all know that creating a career with data science is the best option for us. So now moving forward to learn R programming so we can enhance our career with data science, analyzing R programming. In this course, we will learn about its environmental setup, that what is the environment of the R Studio and R console, and what the type is R console and R Studio, its basic syntax, about its variable, data types, operator, decision statement, loops, array, functions, strings, vectors, and further we will learn about list, matrices, factors, data frame, installing packages, and then how we can install some packages on our R, web scraping, that how we can extract data from our further website and paste it into the environment of R, plotting some graphs like pie chart, bar chart, block plot, histogram, scatter plot, and finally we can learn about how we can perform mean, median, and mode functions in it. So it is our course line of R programming that we will further learn about it. Be active with us, press the bell icon for getting the latest updates from our channel. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.